Assalamualaikum and greeting to everyone. Today we will present DNA marker technology in plant biotechnology. This technology has become an important tool in modern plant breeding because it helps scientists identify desirable traits at the DNA level, making crop improvement faster and more efficient. As for introduction, DNA marker technology refers to the use of specific DNA sequence to identify genetic difference among plants. This marker act like genetic fingerprint and allow scientists to study plant genome more accurately. Unlike physical traits that can be influenced by environmental conditions, DNA markers are stable and can be detected at any stage of plant growth. Therefore, they have become valuable tools in plant biotechnology and breeding programs.
DNA marker technology begins with the extraction of DNA from plant tissue such as leaf. The DNA is then analyzed using molecular techniques such as polymerase chain reaction or PCR. Scientists identify specific DNA markers that are linked to describe traits such as disease resistant or high yield. Once these markers are detected, breeder can select plant carrying the desired genes. Common marker systems include RFLP, RAPD, AFLP, SSR, and SNP marker. One of the most important applications of DNA marker is marker-assisted selection, or MAS. In traditional breeding, breeder must with anti-plant method before evaluating traits. However, with MAS, breeder can identify desirable plant at the seedling stage by examining the DNA. This significantly reduces breeding time and increase the accuracy of selection. As a result, new crop variety can be developed more efficiently.
DNA marker technology is widely used to improve disease resistance in crop. Scientists can identify genes responsible for resistance and use marker to select plant carrying those genes. For example, disease-resistant rice variety has been developed to combat bacteria blight. This reduces crop losses, decrease dependence on pesticide, and contribute to sustainable agriculture. DNA marker also play an important role in improving crop yield and quality. By identifying genes associated with higher productivity, breeder can develop variety that produce more gain, fruit or vegetable. Additionally, marker can be used to improve nutrition value, fruit size, taste and storage quality. This improvement help meet the increasing demand for food worldwide.
Climate change has created many challenges for agriculture. DNA marker technology helps scientists develop crops that can tolerate environmental stress such as drought, salinity, and high temperature. By selecting plants carrying stress-tolerant genes, breeders can develop varieties capable of maintaining productivity under harsh conditions. This contributes to long-term agriculture sustainability.
DNA marker technology offers many advantages, including rapid and accurate selection of desirable plants. Because many DNA are not influenced by environmental conditions, breeder can make reliable decisions at early stage. However, the technology also has limitations. It requires specialized laboratory equipment, trained personnel, and relatively high costs, which may limit its use in some developing regions. In conclusion, DNA marker technology has revolutionized plant biotechnology and modern plant breeding. It enables scientists to identify desirable traits quickly and accurately, leading to the development of improved crop varieties. Through applications such as disease resistant, improvement and stress tolerant, DNA marker technology contributes significantly to sustainable agriculture and global food security. Thank you for watching.